Okay. Yes. So everyone, take your Hindi notebook. I'm sharing you the screen. What we are going to do today? I will show you the pictures, and you will write out the vyanjan or swar. Okay, the first letter of the picture. Okay. For example, अगर अनार है तो अनार का picture, so you have to write a. Okay, a से अनार. That is the way you have to do. Okay, class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, चलो. Then I'm sharing you the screen.
क्या क्या लिखना है?
आपको हिंदी की नोटबुक लेनी है. मैम आपको पीपीटी शेयर कर रहे हैं. इन दैट पीपीटी you will see the picture and you will write out the vyanjan and swar, the first letter of the picture. Okay. Just a minute, huh? Open a fresh page. Write down the date till then. Okay, can you see? This is a recap of swar and vyanjan. Okay, so you have to write the initial starting letter of the picture. Okay, chalo. This is the first picture. Open your Hindi notebook, open a fresh page, and you will write the word. I mean letter. I will show you the first or second one, and then you can continue. Then you will not show me the answer, and nobody will speak. This is called tortoise. हम tortoise को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कछुआ, right? तो क से कछुआ. So you will write in your notebook क. Okay? Next picture is of Okay. Okay. Yes, correct. So you will write G. चलो अभी मैम एक काम करते हैं. I will ask you one by one. Okay. So first you will write K. Then next was G से गाजर. So G. Microphone बच्चा. Now, Shlok, you will tell me what is this? What is this?
ग से गाजर.
अरे ग से गाजर नहीं, ये वाला. This one I have done a tick mark. This one.
छ से छरी.
हाँ, write down. छ से छड़ी.
जैसे जलेबी.
Okay, but Yanvi, you have to wait for your turn. As Yanvi told this answer, so this is j se jalebi. So छ से छड़ी और j से जलेबी. Next, I will ask to Ayansh. Ayansh, you will tell me which picture is this, Ayansh?
ट से टोपी.
Yes, write down everyone. It is correct. Laksh, you will tell me what is this. Anybody else know the answer for this?
दसे डब्बा.
Okay. Anybody else wants to say anything? Yes, Shiven?
दसे डिब्बा.
Dase Dippa. Okay. Anybody else wants to say anything? Okay. लेकिन ये ड से डिब्बा कैसे हुआ? वेरी गुड ये वेदिका, वेरी गुड. ये ड से डब्बा नहीं है बच्चा. डब्बा अगर होता तो इट विल बी इन प्रॉपर डब्बा शेप. दिस इज नॉट अ डब्बा. ओके, सो ये डब्बा है लेकिन इसके मतलब दिस इज अ बॉक्स, बट हाउ द बॉक्स इज इट्स एम्प्टी. सो हम क्या बोलेंगे इसको? ख से खाली. ओके, सो यू विल राइट ख.
लिखना है.
ख लिखना है. ख से खाली, इट्स एम्प्टी, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. सो क्या लिखोगे आप? ख से खाली. Next, yes, Shiven, tell me which picture is this?
दसे तरबूज.
Correct. Ta se tarbooj. So everyone write down ta. Then hate, you will give me the answer for the next picture. What is this? Hate. Hate. बोलो कैरी. बोलो.
दसे
यस, द से दूध. सो ये त से तरबूज और ये द से दूध. करेक्ट. Now let's move to the next picture. Next answer will be given by Danish. Danish, अब बताओ ये क्या है?
ना से नाक.
Correct. न से नाक. Write down न.
मैम इसके पहले ख, त, द और न के पहले कोई वर्ड्स गए हैं क्या?
Yes, yes, ma'am. We have done क, ख, छ, j, t, then again kh, then now t, the, and now this is na. Now Araf, tell me what is the answer of this picture?
तितली.
तितली. तो तितली किससे आएगी?
लेडी बग्स.
अरे, तितली किससे आएगी?
तो से.
त से. सो यू हैव टू से त से तितली. ठीक है, चलो राइट डाउन एवरीवन त. Now Hime, you will tell me what is this picture? Hime?
चलो.
પાસે પપ્પમ.
Huh?
પપીતા. પપમ ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાય.
પાસે પપીતા.
Yes. पासे पपीता, पासे पप्पा. हम गुजराती हिंदी we will mix it all together, है ना? गुजराती, हिंदी and English. पासे पपीता is correct. Write down everyone पासे पपीता. Now Hriday, you will tell me what is this picture? Okay. Nivan, you will tell me. Tell me this picture. क्या? हाँ, म से मछली. Okay, correct. So प से पपीता, म से मछली. Correct. Now, okay, Hriday is there. Yes, Hriday, tell me what is this picture? Very good, bacha. Very good. Correct. य से यज्ञ. Now Paki, you will tell me what is this?
लाल.
Very good. ल से लाल. Correct. Now let's move to the next picture. Next is this. Prayag, you will tell me क्या है ये बच्चा? Prayag, this one.
चटनी.
चौसे चौथे. ओ आपको हिंदी नहीं अच्छी लगती तो आप रो ना क्यों लगते हो? See, you have given me a correct answer. चलो, very good. Good boy. All the answers are correct. So, छ से छतरी. But I think so. ब से बारिश will also include. ना?
वर्षा.
हाँ. So, ब से okay. As it is showing a picture of chhatri also, that is also right. But I think so the main answer will be व से वर्षा because actually they're showing बारिश. तो अगर आप दोनों आंसर लिखोगे तो दोनों correct है. I will not give you wrong. Don't worry. So both are correct. So you can write व से वर्षा also. और छ से छतरी. Even the third answer. ब से बारिश. Oh, sorry. ब से बारिश is also not wrong. Okay? So all the three answers are correct. व से वर्षा भी बोलते हैं रेन को, ब से बारिश भी बोलते हैं. और as we can see the picture of छतरी, so you can write छ से छतरी also. So all the three answers are correct. चलो now, yes Shiven, tell me what is this picture called?
से षटकोण.
Yes, स से षटकोण. So you will write this स से षटकोण. Correct. Now let's move to the next. Shlok, tell me what is this? Shlok. Okay, then Shri, you can give me the answer. What is this?
बोलो बेटा. ऐसे हाथी.
Okay, so ह से हाथी is correct. So you can write ह से हाथी. Now what is this? Who knows this answer?
से दिमाग. मैम. दिमाग.
द से दिमाग. Anybody else wants to say anything?
से दिमाग.
So द से दिमाग is correct. So you can write द से दिमाग. Now, Vedika, tell me the answer of this picture.
से सैनिक.
Correct.
से सैनिक होता है.
श से स से सैनिक. And then yes, what is this? अंग से अंगूर. Okay. Now let's Yanvi, you will give me the answer. What is this? Yanvi,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, इसके ऊपर वाला जो पिक्चर है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड,
this one?
Yes. सैनिक वाला है.
Yes, सैनिक वाला.
Okay, fine.
आ से अदरक.
A से अदरक. Very good, Yadvi. Correct. So सैनिक, अंगूर and अदरक. Pakhi, tell me again what is this, Pakhi? Pakhi?
ओती होगली.
O से ओखली. Okay. Correct. Done everyone this much?
Ma'am done.
Now let's move to the next picture. Go. What is this? Yes, Shiven.
E से इमली.
Okay, Laksh and Shiven, correct. E से Imli. Imli is correct.
बड़ी
Next.
ऊँट.
U से ऊट.
बड़ी ऊ से ऊँट.
Okay, Vedika. Correct. So here we are done with this. Okay. I hope you all have written correct, and I know that now you all did a great job. Okay, now one thing which I want to ask you. Now you all are clear with all swar and vyanjan, right? We have done so many times revision and recap of all swar and vyanjan.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am C. Ma'am. Ma'am C.
Correct. Very good. Good, Paki. Ayan. Correct. Vedika, Danu, Laksh. Yes, Laksh. Correct. Shiven, correct. Paki, Arav, Nivan, correct. Even Hime. Good, correct. So here, now from Monday, we will start with 2-letter or 3-letter words, okay? Now here we are done with the revision of all swar and vyanjan. I hope it is clear to you, because now we are going to start with 2-letter, 3-letter words, and then we will move ahead with the matras. Okay? Do you need more practice for swar and vyanjan? Just let me know by showing thumbs up and down. You want more revision of swar and vyanjan? No? Okay then. So here we are done with our Hindi class today, and see you on Monday. Okay, the class is over for today. Enjoy your weekend. Yes.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.